Finishing up the rebuild on my 2006 Pontiac G6 GTP hardtop convertible. And today I'm going to take it to the State Patrol for the vehicle rebuild inspection. And they completely go over the vehicle and make sure all the doors, hood, trunk works and that it's roadworthy. No major dents or problems with the suspension. So they really go over the vehicle pretty thoroughly. So I'm going to tow it down there and have it inspected. I'm using the U-Haul auto transport trailer and one of their trucks. Love these things. They come with the straps, everything you need. This fender folds down so you can get in and out of your vehicle after you pull it up. And it has built-in ramps, safety chain for the vehicle. They hook it up to the truck for you. Really a nice unit. So first thing you have to do is unhook the straps and lay them out. So you can drive over it and then wrap the strap over the front wheel and secure it with a ratcheting mechanism. Alright, there she is. Fits up there beautifully. And because it has this fender that folds up and down, you're able to open the door and get in and out of the vehicle. So let me hook up the straps and then the safety chain, both front and back safety chain, and you're ready to go. You wrap the strap around the wheel on both sides. They even include a diagram on how to hook up the straps to your wheels. Then it comes with a safety chain. Hook the front safety chain up to the subframe. Rear safety chain and put up the ramps. Alright, fenders secure, ramps are secure. Wheels strapped down, secure. Front safety chain attached. Rear safety chain attached. We are ready to go. Just pulling up to the State Patrol inspection garage. They only have a limited number of appointments available every week for rebuild inspections. So I always try to arrive here at least a half an hour to 45 minutes early. The appointment itself usually takes about a half an hour to 45 minutes. So let me pull this car off the trailer, get in line, and I will come back when I'm done with the inspection and let you know how it went. I'm going to make sure all my paperwork's in order, have my ID ready, so as soon as I get called into the garage, hand them the paperwork, they'll go over everything, check the car over really thoroughly, and then I'll pull it back around and let you know. You can't record in here, so I'll let you know how it goes. You're not allowed to record when they're doing the vehicle inspection inside the State Patrol garage. So let me pull around to the front of the garage and I'll go over how it went. This car was in beautiful condition when I got it from the insurance auction, and it didn't need any parts. The convertible top trunk lid just needed to be reconfigured into the proper sequence, and then the headlight was even still good. I just had to fix the tab. Other than that, everything is all original. It only had 73,000 miles, and whoever had this car before really loved it. So let me just do a quick walk around of the vehicle. This car is in absolutely beautiful shape, so it didn't need much for the rebuild.
what I'm going to do next is I'm going to completely go over the vehicle, make sure the oil is fresh and changed. I'm going to make sure the brakes are in perfect condition. I'm going to go over the vehicle from top to bottom mechanically, just to make sure it's a good car. I have no doubt everything's going to work out fine. It has such low miles. It's probably on its original set of spark plugs. But usually I like to go through the rebuild process first, get the vehicle inspected through the state patrol, and then I'll come back and go take care of any maintenance items. So that's what I'm going to do, is make sure all the maintenance items are good, make sure the tires are perfect, and this car will be ready for the road. The next thing I'm going to do is return the car to my house and take the truck and trailer back to U-Haul. In an upcoming video, after I'm done with any maintenance items it may need, then I'm going to go over a complete cost breakdown of what it costs from purchasing the car to the time I'm done with it. You will be absolutely shocked on how much my original bid amount was for this vehicle.